Let's solve one problem which is displayed on your screen. It says that the mean of the following distribution is 50, but the frequency with respect to 60 and 80 is missing. Find the missing frequency. So basically they have already given the mean x bar, which is nothing but 50, and they have given the data, that is class interval, which is nothing but 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, and 80 to 100. Okay, and then they have given the frequency, which is nothing but 19, 28, 32, one is missing, and 19. Okay, this is what they have given. Now first thing, mean value they have given. So we know that mean is equal to summation fx by capital N. We are using the normal direct method, no need to go for a step deviation and all these things. It will become too much confusing. So whenever they have missing frequency problem, just use the normal direct formula now. First thing, let's find out x. Can I find x? That is 10, 30, 50, 70 and 90. Okay, let me just assume here the missing value as a. Can I write that? Yes. Now if I add the frequency, which is nothing but total, just add all the values, because these are the values which you know. So you will be getting 98 plus a. Can I write? Because a value I don't know. Now next step, what do you do when generally you find the mean? You multiply f into x. So find out multiplication. So 190, right? 28 into 3 will give you 840. Similarly, 32 into 5 will give you 1600, and 70 into a you will write 70a. Okay, and 90 into 19 will give you 1710. At last, what are you going to do? Summation fx, if you find, add all the values except this. So you will get whatever you add, you get that plus 70a. So if you add this, you will be getting 4340. Now let's substitute all the value here and find out what is a. How do we do that? Let's see. Mean value already they have given 50. Can I take that? So 50, which is equal to summation fx is this part, that is 4340 plus 70a, divided by n is 98. So 98 plus a. Let's do the cross multiplication. This entire thing will multiply with 50. So 98 into 50 plus 50a, which is equal to 4340 plus 70a. So let's take a, both the a one side and the number one side. So what I'm going to do is 50 I'm sending this side and number this side. So 98 into 50, you will be getting 4900 minus 4340, which is equal to 70a minus 50a, 70a minus 50a. So what will happen? Subtract, if you do, you will be getting 560 divided by 20a. You can cancel this also you can cancel. So 2 2s are 4, 16, 28. So basically a is equal to 28. So whenever they have given the missing frequency in mean, this is how we will be solving that, right? Similarly, we have missing frequency in median also, that we will see next. Before that, pause the video, note it down. Under the missing frequency type problem, we have already seen the mean. Let's see the median. How do we find the missing frequency in terms of median, right? So let's see one question which is displayed on your screen. It says that an incomplete distribution is given below. The class interval frequency they have given, you can see one frequency is missing, and median value is 40. So what they have given is median is equal to 40 and the class interval as well as the frequency they have given. So what is the class interval they have given? 10 to 20 up to 70 to 80. Okay, so 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and 70 to 80. And then the frequency they have given 12, 30, 34, 65, missing, and then 25, and then 18. Okay, so very simple. How we did for a mean, similar way we will perform here. We will consider n is equal to this missing value, let me consider a, add all the value except this a. Okay, so how much you will be getting? You will get 184 plus a. This will be your n value, right? So since this is a continuous data, what is your median formula? Your median formula is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into c. Correct? But here we cannot find an exact n by 2 because we don't know what is the value for a. For in that condition, to overcome that condition, what are we going to do is, we are going to take help of this median. Now since median is 40, it's supposed to belong to which class? That is 30 to 40 or 40 to 50. It's supposed to be in this particular class, which is nothing but 40 to 50. Remember, in exclusive class interval, upper limits are included in the next class. So if median value is 40, it belongs to 40 to 50 only. That we can understood easily. Which means this is what our value that we will select. So this will be your F, this will be your L, and where is the CF? CF we have to find out. So let's find out the CF. That is 12, 42, 42 plus 34 is nothing but 76, 76 plus 65 is nothing but 141, 141 plus A, and 141 plus 25 is 166 plus A, 166 plus 184, 184 plus A, right? Which means if you are selecting this particular row, this is your CF value, correct? Preceding CF you take, this is your L and F. Let's substitute everything and see what exactly is happening. So what is your median value? 40 equal to, what is your L value? Again 40, correct? Your L value is also 40. Sorry, I think in the question the median they have given is 46. Okay, sorry for the mistake. So just you can take this as also as a 46. Okay, which means of course it belongs to the same class, so no need to change anything. Even it was 40, you could have taken that particular class only, right? Okay, plus what is n by 2? 184 plus a by 2 minus, how much is the CF value? 76 divided by, what is the frequency value? 65 into, what is the C? Of course it is 10, correct? Let me just take this 40 this side and subtract so that our job will be easy. So can I write 46 minus 40, which is equal to, can I 184 by 2 and a by 2 can I write so that will be easy? So here I am writing 184 by 2 plus a by 2 minus 76 divided by 65. This 10 is in multiplication. If I send it to this side, can I write here in division? I can write that, right? Okay. So let's do one by one. 6 by 10, which is equal to, if I can cancel this, 92 minus 76. How much are we getting? 92 minus 76 is nothing but 16. So 16 plus a by 2 by 65, correct? Can I cross multiply this everything? So if I cross multiply here, what will happen? 6 into 65, which is equal to 10 into 116, which is 160 plus 10 into a by 2. So I can cancel this, 2 5 2. So 6 into 65 is nothing but 390, and 160 if I take this side subtraction, 5a, which is equal to 390 minus 160. If I do, you will be getting 230 divided by 5, because 5 is in multiplication if you send the other side. So if you can cancel this, 2 4 ja and 2 6 ja, which means your a is equal to also 46. So when they have given the missing frequency in the median, this is how you will be solving. Only the major part is deciding the class based on this value only. because we cannot find n by 2. N by 2 here what we are getting? We are getting 184 plus a by 2, which is not the exact value. So we are not able to decide which class it belongs to. In that condition, we will take help of this. Right? So I hope you are able to understand this. Pause the video, make a note of it. We'll move further and we'll see the measure of position as well as the measure of dispersion and then skewness and cortex and everything we'll see. Pause the video, note it down.